So yes, students, we are learning embedded figure. Okay. Yes. Yes. We'll do. Okay.
Sir, you will give in this homework. Sir, can I give
Hmm.
questions? Sir, can I give questions?
Yes. We'll give questions. So this is embedded figure. So where it is hidden, we have to identify. So this figure is hidden in the option what B. So
B.
that is should be exactly same. That should be exactly same. Okay, na? Okay. So
Yes,
let us go to
sir.
the next question now. Should we go to the next question?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is the answer. Okay. So this figure. So where is it hidden? Exactly same
A.
figure. Where it is?
Sir, A. A. A.
Yes.
A.
Is it? Okay. So yes, the answer is option A correct. Okay. Option A is correct. So this is hidden exactly the same here. Okay. Don't be confused with B, that is only small, and here D, that is different, it is smaller. In D it is little smaller. If you see the question, this is little big. So in the D option it is smaller. So that is wrong. So the correct answer is for this question option A. Right? Very easy. Okay na? Yes? Understood everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Good. Yes. Okay. Very good. Okay. So
Sir,
next
for this
question.
topic, you will give homework.
Yes. Next question we'll see, and I will give you 10 seconds. So everyone see the answers properly and tell me answer.
Sir,
Okay?
C. 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 Sir, C. C. Sir, C. Sir, C. C. Sir, C. Sir,
Okay. So the answer will be what? Option number
C.
C is the correct answer. Okay? Yes. Option C is the correct answer. Okay? Yes, correct. Very good. So option C is the correct, not A, because here squares are coming inside, and B it is large. So that is why not the answer. C is the correct answer. So it is hidden in the, this figure is hidden in the option C. Understood everyone? Very easy.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Next question. So here, yes, C is the answer. Here, tell me the answer now. It is should be exactly there. Okay. Okay. Take some time. Take some time. See properly. Yes. Tell me the answer now. Option D now. Yes. Correct. So answer is option D. Yes. Correct. Okay. Option is option D. Okay. So that is the answer. Okay now. Okay, correct. Yes. So if you can see here, so this is half. Only two parts are there. Half. So here is the answer. Okay. So that will be the answer option D here. Okay. Okay, good. Next students. So tell me the answer now for this question. So take some time and tell me the answer. So yes, tell me the answer for this question. What is the hidden figure? Where is it hidden? Yes, switch on mic. Yes. Okay. Yes. Correct. Correct. Okay. So B is the correct answer. Okay. B for ball. So B is the correct answer here. Okay. So why? Because this and this part both are same size. So here one line is missing in the middle. So that is why A is not answer. B is the answer. C, one line is missing here. That is why C is not answer. And in D, one is big, one is small. Right? One is big, one is small. That is why D is not answer. So the correct answer, very good, correct. So that is the D is the correct answer. So this is about hidden figure or embedded figure. So have you understood about hidden figures? We will be able to do. Okay. So we will do this question now. Yes. Tell me the answer for this question. Okay. Tell me the answer for this question now. Yes, tell me. Okay, silence. Silence, everyone. Silence. Hey, what is this nonsense? What did I? Silence means you should drop the mic. Huh? So once you should tell means that's enough. Who is that again shouting again and again? Did they tell you shout in the school, or did your parents tell you, or did I tell you to shout? Tell me. And one more thing, that who is chatting nonsense in the chat box? Tell me, who is chatting the nonsense? Okay, so here you should follow my instruction. Okay, if you make not anything, just choose the minus. So see here, so that is this question, this clear question where it is hidden. So this is hidden in. Correct answer is option A here. Okay, so that is the correct answer. Here B is not the proper because it is different. Okay, C is not and D is also not. So answer is option what? A is the correct answer. So very good. Everyone got it? Understood how to do the hidden or embedded case? Yes. Okay, good. So this is how you have to do. Anybody any doubt in this? Not very easy. Okay. Okay, good. Okay, everyone understood. Okay, now so we'll see one more chapter. This one more chapter. Yes. Okay. Okay. Okay then. Okay. Okay. Good. Very good. Okay. Yes. So who has doubt? Switch on the mic. What is your doubt? Tell me. No, no, no. We will give worksheet. You just directly mark the answer. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Very good. Okay. So we will see one more chapter. Okay. So learn one more chapter. Okay now.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, you not give answer?
So classwork is not there because you have a book. Once you have book, then you can do classwork for this. Okay. Just have to tell the answers here only. Okay. So we'll do one more chapter. Okay. So just a minute. So this is the about what? Embedded figures. Okay. ಇವ್ರಿಗದಲ್ಲ ಯಾರು ಬರೋರು ಮೇಲೆ ಬಂದರು. Okay. So now we will learn about figure matching. Okay. Yes. Yes. Correct. Okay. Okay. Good.
Sir, it's so easy.
Yes. Yes. Very
Sir,
good. So students, figure matching. Figure matching means same figure we have to find it. What you have to find? Same figure. Everything should be same. Okay, then it is matching, right? Okay, so if you see, okay, so the same exact figure is here, everything is same, then it is match, right? Otherwise it is not matching, isn't it? Okay, so we'll see here. So in these two figures, what are the different things? If you can see, hello is different in these two figures, and then this one heap, that is grass heap, is there, right? The red color part, like that we have to find dissimilarities, then it will be easy, right? So everyone knows how to find the dissimilarities? Yes, tell me.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let me tell me. So what are the dissimilarities? I will give 10 seconds for you, and see the dissimilarities and tell me afterwards. Okay.
Sir, sir, the sun is there in one part, the sun is not there in one part. The sun on the road. The sun is not there. Sir, the sun is there. Sir, the stone is there in this side. Sir, the green light
Okay, silence. Correct. Okay. Yes. So many things you told. Okay. So sun is not there. The, what is this? Cloud is not there, like that. Okay. So this flower is different here, right? And this green that is patch on the road, right? So these are the different things, isn't it? Okay, so I hope you got it. Okay, now, so these are the dissimilarities, and there is a mountain, and that is the tree is different color, right? Okay, so those are the different things, so that is how you should be able to easily identify. Okay, good. So now, if you are able to identify the dissimilarities, then it will be easy for you to identify the figure matching. Okay, okay. So what are the things we have to remember? Everything should be exactly same. Okay, so this figure is there here. So what is the matching figure for this in the ABCD option? Tell me. What will be the answer? Which is same? Okay. Okay, good. Yes, yes. Correct. Okay. Yes, very good. Okay. Okay, very good.
Sir,
So the answer is
Sir, C.
yes. Okay. Hmm. Okay. So the answer is what? This exactly same figure is option
C.
C. Okay.
Cat. E for cat.
How to remove this? Yes, silence. Enough. Okay. Yes. So that is how you should be able to easily what? Do the questions. Okay. Okay. Good. Yes. Tell me. Okay. Yes. So here the answer is option C is the correct answer. Okay na? Okay, good. So should we go to the next question now, students?
Yes, sir.
Ha.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yes, yes, yes.
Not visible.
Okay, what is your doubt?
Sir, I didn't understand the first one.
First one. Okay, I will tell it.
See again.
Okay.
See.
So see here. So this exactly same figure. Okay, silence everyone.
See again.
Okay, exactly same figure. Where is it? So it is same exactly. That is the C answer, right? So it is clear now. Doubt? Okay.
No,
The doubt
sir.
is clear.
No, sir.
Doubt is not clear.
Yes, sir. Sir, it's clear.
Join again. If you are not able to see here, if you are not able to clearly listen or see,
Sir, I can
join
hear.
again. Okay. Okay. So next here, next question.
Excuse me, sir.
Huh? Okay. So here, tell me the answer.
I cannot see the.
You join again. If you are not able to see the screen, join again. Okay. So tell me the answer, which is exactly the same here. Okay, take some time. 10 seconds. Yes, tell me the answer. What is the correct answer here? Which is exactly same. Figure matching. Figure matching, right? Yes. C is the correct answer, right? C is the correct answer. Okay. So here in A, this is not same. There is a plus sign. So if any problem like mic not audible or not able to see, join again. So this plus sign is there. That is why it is not the answer. And then B, this, if you see, it is in the middle. The circle is different here. So that is why different.
So the face.
And in D, there is a extra.
On the board, sir, I could not see.
That is why not
It's very
visible. Okay. So that is why D is not the correct answer. Okay. So what we are learning? We are learning figure matching. Figure matching, or what we say, that is exactly same figure, right? Okay. So you are not able to see now. Can you see now? Yes. So that is, the answer is option C here. Okay. The answer is option C. We are learning what? Figure matching. What we are learning? Figure matching. Okay. Understood everyone? Very easy. Yes. Okay na? Okay. So I hope everyone understood. Same figure. In figure matching, what you have to do? You have to identify
Yes, sir.
same figure. We have to identify same figure. Okay. Okay, good.
Sir, this much? Sir,
Huh?
spelling is.
Oh, Figure, right? Okay, okay, okay.
Sir,
Figure, figure.
figure.
Okay, okay, yes, yes.
Figure.
Yes, yes, I missed it. Okay. So figure spelling Figure, right? Figure matching. Okay, na? Okay, good. So should we go to the next question now? Yes, tell me. Okay. So everyone understood this?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir. Sir, someone is whistling.
Who is that?
Shouting.
Why is it not going to next? Yeah.
Don't know, sir.
Tell me the answer for this now. Which is the same figure? Is it? Who is that again nonsense? Huh? Once you should tell the answer. If it is A, that's it. What is A? D, B, B. What is that nonsense? So what is the answer? Tell me now. Yes? So what will be, once only you should tell. Okay? That's it. Okay? Okay. Good. Very good. So answer is option D is the matching figure. Okay na? So if you see in A, there is a missing line here. So that is why not the A answer. And B, both side missing line, not possible. And in C, one line is missing here, not possible. So D is the proper answer here. So that is how you have to match the figure. Okay now? Okay, good. So let us go to the next question here, students. Yes. Already. Why is it not going? Yeah, tell me the answer in this question. Okay, so in these questions, what is the answer? You take some time and tell me. So which is the matching figure here?
Sir, option B. Sir, option B. Sir, option B.
Okay, good.
Sir,
Okay.
option B.
Yes. Okay. Very good. Okay. So let us see. So this figure. So here there is a missing. So A is not the correct answer. B is the correct answer. C, if you see, this is so that is this is a different part. Okay. So C is not there, and in D, this is extra part, right? So that is why D is not the answer. So the correct answer is B for ball. Okay.
Down.
Okay. Yes. So B is the correct answer. Okay now. Everyone understood? Next question. Yeah, in this question, what is the answer? Tell me after 10 seconds. Okay. Yes, what is the answer?
Sir,
Okay. Okay, good. Very good. Silence. Okay, silence. Yes. Don't do nonsense things. Yes. Who is that nonsense again? Yes.
somebody is doing
Yes.
intentionally.
Silence. Enough. Okay. So here the correct answer is A. Okay. B. Why is it not correct? There is a missing line here in the bottom. Okay. And in C, what is happening? There are only two dots, not C. And in D, why is it not the answer? So if you see, there is an extra line here. So that is why D is not the answer. So correctly matching figure is A figure. Okay, so I hope everyone will be able to do the figure matching now, and also we learnt about embedded figure. Both are easy,
Yes, sir.
isn't it? Both are easy. Okay,
Yes, sir.
okay, good.
Sir, next one.
Yes.
The homework.
Okay,
Sir,
so this is how.
embedded figure and figure matching are same.
Huh? No, no.
Sir.
Embedded figure and figure matching are different. Yes. Yes. So they are different. Embedded figure is different. Figure matching is different. Okay. Okay, good. So I hope everyone will be able to do the questions. Okay. Wait, wait. I will explain the doubts. Wait a minute. Okay. Be silent. Enough. Okay. So here we learnt about embedded figure in the starting. Embedded figure. Embedded figure means what? Hidden. Where it is hidden, we have to find it. And what? Matching. Figure matching. Figure matching means same figure we have to find it. Okay. So same figure we have to find it, and then it will be the answer for your question. Okay. So I hope everyone understood that. Will everyone be able to do both the questions? Yes? Okay, good. So today's class, how was the today's class?
Yes, sir.
Okay now?
Nice, sir.
Okay, good. Very good. Okay, students. So we'll see tomorrow. Yeah, what is your doubt?
What is the difference between embedded figure and figure matching?
Embedded figure means it is hidden somewhere. Figure matching means exactly same. It should not be hidden like this, right? So this is figure matching. So here this is matching figure. Okay, same figure. And embedded figure means like this. So there will be half circle here, and in the question, in the ABCD option, this is the question. In the options it will be full circle and one half, and then like this, second option A option, and then B option will be like this. Okay, so A or B, which is hidden here? Where it is hidden? A or B?
Sir. Sir, B. Bye, sir.
It is hidden in A, right? So A is the answer, not B. This is little curvy. B is little curvy, right? Not possible. So it is hidden here. So it is hidden in this. So that is the difference. You can see this video in the YouTube and learn it. Okay. So everyone understood, and then we'll see tomorrow. Bye bye.
Sir,
Okay.
when is the test? Bye, sir.
Yeah, we'll take some other day test. Okay. Okay. Bye bye.
Bye, sir. Have a good day, sir. Bye, bye, sir.
Okay. Bye.